Okay, so today I'm gonna install BlackArch just to see the installation process and how it looks. So I'm no expert in any of this or any of the tools. In the future, I want to get into this, pretty much hacking and pen testing and all of that, just purely interest in intersake for intersake for intersake. Yeah, but I'll use Kali for that. So let's just set up a VM in Proxmox. call it, I'm just gonna call it black because I have set up one already. So my settings was, so I have the BlackArch net install and the slim. So if you go to the site, let's just quickly go to the BlackArch site to show you the downloads. Right, click on downloads here. Right, just scroll down and then you have your free downloads here. So you have the full ISO, which is 22 gigs big. It's got I think almost 3000 tools in there, which is absolutely ridiculous. Then you got a slim version, which is 5 gigs, still quite big. So I mean, if you're into this, that should be enough tools to keep you busy. And then the net install, so it will pretty much download everything as you're installing, I think. So it's quite a light install. Right, and then there is a OVA image if you want to do it in as a VM, so in VirtualBox or yeah, VirtualBox. What's the other one now? I can't remember. So there's that's all of that. Right, so I'm gonna install the slim version, which is 5 gig big. So you select that one. You have to upload it to Proxmox, obviously. Right, so you can leave everything at default, which is fine. Maybe just choose Spice, obviously. Quemo agent. Next, you can leave it at 32. That's big enough for the slim version. For the full version, you're gonna need at least 80 gig. It's big. Right, so I'm just gonna give it 2 cores. But you can give it, I think 4 cores is just better. And then, yeah, 2 gigs should be fine with memory. But more is better. I'm just gonna disable the firewall, but you don't have to. Then give it an internet connection. Right, and finish. So where is it now? Black. Slack and black. Slackware. Right, so it should be good. Nothing to do. Let's just start it. Start it up. Right, just choose the first one. The speech is for somebody with it's probably blind or something. I don't know. Okay, let's yeah, let's spice this out. Let's go spice. Minimize that. Right, so it's gonna boot you into a live environment. You can check it out there, but I don't think, no, the tools will obviously not be installed. Right, so the default password is BlackArch. BlackArch live user. Right. So I mean, it's just a light install, a light installation. So let's see if I run. There's one problem that I ran into, which throws you out of the installation. So let's see if that happens. So I've got an internet connection. Where's terminal? We're gonna actually ping. Well, let's just say blackarch.org. Is that spelled right? Blackarch.org. Let's see if it pings it. This is all on this site as well. I think so. Let's just check quickly. Like there's a guide that you can follow. Oh, this is the full guide. Let's just go back under installations. Now, where is it now? Download. So under download, there will be a few installations. So you can install this, all these tools on top of an existing Arch Linux, just following this instructions. And well, anyway, there is a guide, so you can just read through that. Let's go and which one is it now? This one. Oh, it's pinging still. Okay, so the internet is definitely working. Let's just minimize that and that. Kill that, and then just install BlackArch. So this will use the Calamaris installer, just giving you a graphical user interface. Password will be BlackArch. Right, so America next. That's me. Good. Erase disk next. Give it a name. Password. I'm just gonna require strong password. Disable that. Make this the same as that, as root, and install. So let's see if it throws that error, and then I will explain why it does it. Well, I don't know why it does it, but how to get past it. Okay, yeah, as you see, it gives me this error: installation failed, package manager error. Package manager could not prepare updates. So I've tried different things. Went through BlackArch guide, went through Arch Linux guide. I don't know, nothing worked. It's obviously something I'm missing, or something is broken in this installation. So if you close this, you have to start over. But if you it's a simple solution. If you just disable the internet, then it will install fine. And that's pretty much how you solve that. So we can kill that and go to the full installation. So after it's done, it looks like this. Let's make this full screen. Let go. Probably have to install a few spice or Quemu guest agents. But anyway, go to the start menu. You go to this BlackArch folder, and here all your tools will be, all the tools that's in the slim version: automation, Bluetooth, cracker, crypto, and wireless, and so on. This is pretty cool. All day to play with. So you can just enable your internet after that again. Oh, I just have to reset it. So yeah, this is BlackArch. Very nice. Good.